go straight, this one go here. There you go. Excellent. This girl is good at it. Right. Now you see your first shot, don't overshoot. No, you don't aim at all. You don't aim this gun. I want you to stand there. Now already with that shot I can see you go and overshoot. You need to be there. There you go. That's where you are. So the first time you shoot the shot, you adjust it. Stand firm, I'm going to load this thing up. Drop it a bit. Yeah, go.
Holly, how was that?
Good. Yeah, take your gun and do the pose.
How do I do a picture?
Just press the top one.
I'm
not doing it right.
One more. Up in the air, point it up in the air.
Yeah, all in there, yeah.
Can I have one more photo with it? Did you take a photo of it? Okay.
Savannah.